PhotoHangout is a real-time photo app that allows a group of people to engage in photo editing collaboration after taking a group selfie. Usually, the person who took the photo is in charge to add filters, stickers, and drawing on their own device. The rest of the people do not get any chance to be involved until they see the final product online. PhotoHangout attempts to resolve this problem and let everyone to engage in editing the photo they just took together on their own phone. We imagined an app that combines the real streaming aspect of Google Hangout and photo editing aspect of Instagram by leveraging the technologies of iOS framework, WebSocket, and REST API.
First, the user creates his account using our sign-up page. When he creates username and password, the app sends those values to our database through JSON object and store it for the future login. When the login authentication is successful, the user is redirected to the menu.
So now we're on the menu. The host can either tap on taking photo using the camera or choose a photo from the device. This will be the moment when the people take a group selfie. So now the host selects his friend and clicks invite. Then the host waits for his friend to accept the invitation, and when he does, a check mark will show up beside his friend's name. When all the friends have joined, the editing session will begin.
There are 4 tools we have implemented in our app. First is filter. Any users can select the filter of their choice. When one filter is applied, it is applied to all connected photos. Second is drawing. As one user starts drawing, every devices follow the lines. Next is stickers and emoticons. We support scaling, rotating, panning, and deleting of the objects. All the changes are sent every millisecond through the WebSocket to constantly update the status.
When the session is over, everyone is taken to the menu instantly. The host and clients can view their edited version of the photos from the database.
Backend contains 2 main components. One is web server, which is basically a collection of REST APIs that mobile app uses to interact with database. The other is WebSocket, which is used for live photo editing session. WebSocket is chosen because it is easy to set up a bidirectional communication between the server and the client, and bidirectional communication makes it easy to broadcast messages to other clients through the server during the live session. So now I'm going to talk about what's actually going on behind the scene. There are 4 steps in the creation of session. First, host uploads the original photo through web server, then creates a session and creates invitations for selected users and connects to WebSocket. Invitees can either accept or ignore the invitation. When host decides to start a session, host broadcasts a start message to those who accepted the invitation. Finally, photo editing screen shows up and live editing session starts. During the session, structured messages for editing are broadcasted through WebSocket to those in the same session. When host finally decides to complete the session, the WebSocket session is closed and the final version of the photo is uploaded through web server. Then, all the corresponding sessions and invitations are marked expired in database. Now all the participants of the session have the photo in their Photo Hangout album.